Not a bad place to wake up. Oh, goodness. This is kind of awesome. Kinda? Definitely awesome. Definitely awesome. The whole place to myself last night. You can't not love this.
Living in a freaking van! Living in a freaking van! Yes, I am! I'm living in a freaking van!
Twilight Educational Trail. Alexander Twilight in Natural History. That's a creepy looking son of a bitch right there. This is very nice. Am I gonna stick around for the tour? It is so early. I woke up at 4:30 this morning. I went to bed at like 9:30. So what's that? 10, 11, 12. I got some sleep last night, finally. Woke up a few times because of the road, but nothing much. Feel pretty good. Deep breath. It's nice. Look at that. I said, look at it. I did some cool drone shots. Not even sure what I'm filming this for. It could be an on the road side for the old gray house. Could be a scary, creepy, cool. If I come to find that it's haunted. Could be into the world and I'm hungry because there's really, outside of the constant strain of loud trucks speeding back and forth on this road, there's really no people. Today should be interesting. A, because I have no idea what we're doing. B, because I'm going to end up in the state of Maine. First time ever in Maine. So I got to film something. I don't know what it's going to be, but I got to film something. I think we're going to New Hampshire. Definitely going to New Hampshire. Explore the rest of Vermont. We'll be in massive two shits. What is beeping? It's coming from my van. Probably the drone stuff. I just swept in here, so I don't want it. Yes, I know I left you on. I'm sorry. By old stony house. I really do want to check you out. I guess I'll be back someday because I'm loving me some Vermont, I'll tell you that. My first stop, the title of the place is there's no way I'm not going. Well, that was a deep little canyon down there. My goodness. And it was like 17 minutes away from the old stone house, so I'm definitely going. And When you see the name of the place, you'll be like, oh yeah, you'd go to. Come on. I'm really digging like small town Vermont life here, man. You got everything you need. It's quiet. Apparently there's internet. People sitting here staring at you. I like it. What do we got up here, huh? What in the freaking hell, man? Okay. We're definitely here. I don't know what here is, but we're parked. Okay. Well, I'm parked in the right spot. What on freaking earth is all of this? The Bread and Puppet Museum. Fantastic. It's been around for a while. 63. Well, I love me some bread and I love me some puppets. Is this somebody's house? No visitors enter the house. Okay, cool. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. It says museum opening over here. And a dog barks. Obvious puppet making materials in all these windows. I don't know what's going on. I'm not waiting to 2 o'clock, but I want bread and I want puppets. Okay. I don't know what's going on right now. This is fun. Okay. It's a huge, huge place filled with puppets and bread, I guess. A bunch of bathtubs that look like there's concrete in it. That's freaky. Oh, birds and bees. There's a door open down here. I feel like I'm in the South. Hello, hello. I think somebody's gonna come out with a chainsaw here pretty soon and just end my story. There's the cafe. In my mind, somebody lives in that bus. In my mind. Let's hope that's not the case. A nice pillow right there. I don't know what. There's people here. That lady just ran down the street. Any cameras or anything? I'm hearing a large collective of bees. Oh, bumblebees. They're enjoying some lilacs. Is this a shitter? Like an old school shitter with a drumstick on it and a triangle? Okay. I don't know what the hell. Oh, did I drive over here for nothing? Hello.
Morning.
What is this? I'm kind of lost right now.
Yeah?
I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. Is this a museum or?
Yeah, the museum entrance is right by the doors.
Oh, says it opens at 9, but that said 2, and I could not.
It's kind of self-service.
Oh, I couldn't open the door. I didn't know. Is the door just stuck or something, or? Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me.
Nobody opened it yet.
Well, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, there he is.
There we go. Yeah, but you know, turn the lights off when you're done. But
Okay, there's a. Turn the lights on. Do it yourself. Holy shit, this is freaking awesome. Are you kidding me? What is that? Reading corner over there. All right, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Look at this. There's a huge gathering of people over there. They're all waiting for me to go to a certain room, and then they're gonna cook me and eat me. Wow, this is awesome. I don't know what it is, but it's awesome. Can I buy this stuff? I'm being serious. I would buy that. I don't even know what that is. I want it, though. I want it in my life. There's another one. Oh, cool, man. Oh, my goodness. What? This is the creepiest, spookiest, most awesome effing thing I've ever seen. They're out there singing songs. They're gonna eat me. This is a ritual. I'm glad I didn't just wander in here. I'm glad that lady let me in here and told me that they're rehearsing for a play later. Because if I just walked in here and I heard that and saw this stuff, no. What is that back there? There's another whole museum back there. Paper Mache Federal Dirt Floor Theater. Where am I? So you just walk up, you open the door yourself, and you just walk in here and look at all this cool stuff. No tour guides, no nothing. This is my kind of place. Oh, wow. It just gets better. Every time you find something, it just gets better and better. See, everything is fine. This is all them out in the back singing right now. Singing about how tender my meat looks because I got a little fat on me, and they're like thinking their harvest has come in, and it's me. I'm the harvest. Now she stands there no longer. Now I stand here soon to be no longer. They're gonna eat me. Maybe they test you. If you don't turn off all the lights, they definitely eat you. Oh my goodness, look at that. It just keeps going. What? Oh my goodness, these are awesome. There was something going on here, man. I've never felt so uneasy about filming at a place in my entire life. Why are we butchering this white horse? This door is going to shut behind me. Yep. Enter at your own risk, huh? This door is going to shut behind me. And all these damn puppets are going to come alive. You think I'm joking? You don't think I'll fly out that window? You're crazy. All you sons of bitches are going to come alive and eat me. I just know this is going to happen. Look, they're eating somebody right there. You think I knew this was going to happen? There's people in these masks. I noticed the singing has stopped. Oh, look at this. I do have a tracker on me, just so you know. Everyone's watching my motions. They are eating a person right there in front of me. This door says enter at your own risk. And this shit looks like it's made out of human skin. I'm not going to lie to you. So, yeah. Look, I turned all the lights on and off as you asked. Okay, somebody's singing again. That's good. That means they're busy. They're not going to eat me. Looks like they do festivals out here and stuff. Looks like a lot of people come here and they don't get eaten, so that's good. These are awesome. Yeah, I love this place. As long as I don't get eaten, I love this place. Where do I buy things? I want to buy things. I don't know. Will they have a credit card machine? And where's the bread come into this? I want bread. It smells like bread. It's a cool gift shop. I just don't know how to buy things. It's a freaking upstairs. I knew it. It's going to be a trap door. Of course there's an upstairs. Oh, and it's even more awesome than the downstairs. Oh my, what on earth? Who are these people? This is insanity. This is straight up insanity. Oh, I'm like out of breath, man. Look at the ceiling up there. It's like every foot of this place is covered. Oh, wow, I didn't even see this. I've never seen anything like this. Not even close. No, do not eat and drink. No, not while I'm here. Well, this is a little suggestive. Do not worry, I will not enter. I do not want to enter. I'm hearing voices. I don't want to hear voices. I mean, I'm hearing them singing, of course. I'm hearing talking voices. I just want to leave now. Incredible. I think I turned this one off. Okay. You're not giving them my email address. I'm afraid of them. It gets even creepier back here. Anti-capitalist chapbook, okay? I do not know what the hell I just got myself into. I loved every second of it. I'm thinking this bus is just gonna be here from now on, huh? Oh, wait a minute. This is another museum. The bus itself is a museum. What? No freaking way. You're effing kidding me, man. What? I just thought this was an abandoned little bus sitting here, but no, it's a full-on art museum. Ah, you spiders, god damn it. Spiders ruin everything. I don't know if I don't think they're Mormon. They dress Mormon. But there's something going on here. They were going to put me on that stick and roast me over a fire. They were. I know they were. So I got out of that bus in a hurry because of giant spiders. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. Giant spiders at face length, like hanging from webs from the ceiling of the van, like right in your freaking face. Okay, this is where I get a flat tire and I have to go for help, and then they eat me. I still don't feel safe yet. Pretty sure I'm gonna get eaten still somehow. I don't know, it could be very nice people. And funny enough, 4 minutes away from that museum is another museum that sounded interesting. It's the Museum of Everyday Things or Everyday Items or something like that. And it's right down the street. All right, I mean, this has to be it. Yep, the Museum of Everyday Life. Is it open? Oh, shit. Missed the parking spot. What a bummer if it's not. Because it looks kind of awesome. Now this one I could get eaten in, but I was positive I was going to get eaten at the Puppet Museum. Museum this way. Okay. As soon as I opened that door, I saw like 12 spiders just scatter. I hate spiders so much. Not a lot of people in here either, so I imagine the webs are fresh. Toothpaste. A lot of toothbrushes. The key dress. All right. Here's a bear. I don't really know what to even say or do right now. I have found the whistler. It's that guy coming through that speaker. Got some aluminum foil. You got some I don't know what those are. What the hell that is? Rocks, bugs. We got a bunch of whistles. Got a Hello Kitty whistle. Cool. Poor frog. Honestly, I mean, if I stopped and looked at every one of these matchboxes and looked at every one of these matchbooks and just everything and explained what it was by reading it, I would be here for 16 years, maybe. Just enjoy. I did not do that, by the way. 7 years of bad luck. Good things in your past. A lot of mirrors. I am silver and exact. I have no preconceptions. What I see, I swallow immediately. Sounds like my ex-girlfriend. Okay. Here's a fork from the general store. Hey, I used to have that same exact bidet. I love that thing. The one I have now is way better, but that's a good bidet if you need a cheap one for like 65 bucks. That's made out of pencils. I didn't even realize that. Because it's done so well. Jeez. Oh, this is made out of safety pins. There's a large pencil, number 2. Not as big as Casey, Illinois, but big. For if you want to write something, it's pretty big. That place is ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. I have to Venmo them $16 for souvenirs, and I'll give them 10 bucks to support the cause. It's so cool. I just love stuff like this. Not even 10 o'clock yet, and I've already filmed 3 episodes of On the Roadside. So Vermont's being nice to me. I am enjoying me some Vermont. Not to mention the scenic drives, the lack of people and traffic. This looks cool as shit right here. Wow. It's like turned in the center of a mountain or something. It's pretty badass. Wow, out of the middle of nowhere. Hey, look, a bridge. Like, seriously? Okay. We got a bridge. New Hampshire Monroe Bridge. Oh, we're in New Hampshire? Hey, we're in New Hampshire. Yeah, all right, all of this. New Hampshire. These trees. That power cable up there. That guy up there who's driving very slow in a whatever mile per hour it is. He's not doing it. But we're in New Hampshire! All right, New Hampshire. I'm going to go buy a hamster in New Hampshire. A new hamster in New Hampshire. Oh, good. Yeah, you go that way, which is also New Hampshire. I'm going to go this way. Look at that. This whole area is just, this whole state, this whole everything is beautiful. Theater here. The Colonial. That was on my list of haunted places, the Colonial Theater. What a cute little city. I like it a lot. Ooh, there's a village store over there with groceries, and I think I have enough groceries. What is that place? It's a brew pub. Think I'm good? There's the Lonesome Woods right there. You've been wondering when I was going to go to the Lonesome Woods. What is that? Some doggos, a little husky action right there. Antique store, huh? Usually I would stop, but not today. Like Vermont and New Hampshire just keeps giving. I find so many cool things, and I get to the point where it's like I can't stop at all of them. Like in Vermont alone, I've probably filmed at 9 or 10 places, and it's a very small drive. I've done another Mexican restaurant. Jeez. So I didn't even go through the whole state. I just kind of like edged it. I just did a little edging. You know what I mean? This is just gorgeous. Look at this house. Bunch of painted rocks out there for some reason. Okay. I am exactly 1 minute from I don't know what. There's nothing here. There's nothing here at all. And I don't know where I'm going. I don't know why I came here. It led me to this empty parking lot up here. What does that say right there? The Bretton Woods Market. Local market with unique stuff. Okay, cool. Where? So I overshot this marketplace by 2 minutes, I guess. I thought it was like a whole shopping district, like a little downtown area. It is not that at all. Should be right up here on the right. Oh, it's that little place where the Cog Railroad was. That's weird. Oh wait, no, it's a little further. Okay. It's this little gas station. Did you really send me all the way out here for a freaking gas station? You're kidding me. That's it? That's the Bretton Woods Market. Oh my God. What in the freaking hell? This is on the list that ChatGPT gave me. There better be something in here life-changing. I'm a little pissed off about this. You're freaking kidding me. Yeah, we got the point we're in Bretton Woods. Oh, a little sandwich action going on, but that's about it. Terrible music, and it looks like terrible food. Goodness. Screw it. I'm buying a bunch of crap. When I say crap, I mean crap. Oh my goodness. On top of that, I'm gonna have them make me a sandwich too. Breakfast and lunch, brunch is served. I had to make the most of this trip, man. I drove an hour and a half to get here to go to a gas station for some reason. Thanks a lot, ChatGPT. Oh, crap. Get out of here, bug. Nobody's asking you for your attendance here. Get out of here. I will say these cheese curds. Fantastic. Spicy chicken sandwich with nothing but a chicken patty on it. I do have condiments in the fridge. I don't care. That tasted like something from a school cafeteria. Like the worst school cafeteria in the world. Sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. This looks a little better. Not a whole lot. I'm not sure about the color of that sausage. Okay. When's the last time I had a jalapeno popper? Dude in there worked really hard, making up and toasting this sandwich for me. I appreciate his hard work and dedication to his craft. And yeah, there it is. Looks good, man. I'm not making this shit up. I had to kill it like immediately because I didn't want it to get away. As soon as I opened this up, so I heard a noise out there. Freaking dangling spider about that damn big. Just sitting there like, oh shit, good morning. Yeah, good morning, asshole. Now I gotta sit here and wonder how many are in this freaking van. It's 2 that I've killed in the van. As perfect as Vermont and New Hampshire has been thus far, the spider thing's not cool, man. I mean, look at that hotel. They wanted that to be the Shining Overlook Hotel. They wanted it, and they did good. It's a choo-choo train that goes through here. All right, I want to get on that choo-choo train. I'm not gonna, but I wanna. Look at this asshole chair. Why are you out here? This never ever happened before. And it's just, it usually stays in here. I didn't have it bungeed or anything. I never needed to. Maybe I gotta figure out how to bungee it now, I guess, because this thing just flies out every freaking time I make a turn. Like I said, it used to be the fridge flying out, got locks on that. Now I gotta bungee this son of a bitch. Unbelievable. All right, this is not where we're going. I had to stop at one of these though, because they just look so cool. Oh, that's train tracks through there, and I saw this cool bridge. Are you kidding me? Look at this. That's not the cool bridge. That's the cool bridge. It's a train bridge. Maybe we'll see a train. I just can't pass all of this freaking nature. It's just every time I look to the left or right, it was beautiful. Look at these butterflies. Wow. Butterflies are nuts around here. Yeah. Damn. Damn. That's pretty badass. Let's go get on it. Talk about a filming location. This is fantastic. Unreal. You say I never take you anywhere. It's awesome. No railings. Not a pedestrian bridge by any means. Cool as shit though. Left my lights on. Oopsie. Sorry, van. Yes, I know I left my lights on. I'm sorry. You don't have to bitch at me that much. Whew, that was some badly needed exercise. So you have the covered bridge house bed and breakfast. Then over here, this bridge is all covered up. And if you want to buy anything, there you go. I just might actually. This right here is awesome. It's only 50 bucks. Look at that. Okay. Oh, look at that. There's a little shop, inside the bridge. Cool. Let's go. Hello. A quick little on the roadside, you know. Got me a magnet and a sticker, which I forgot to do in Vermont and Montreal. I'm kind of dropping the ball on souvenirs these days. And again, I can buy any of these bird houses or lawn ornaments or any of that stuff, like in Michigan, without having to carry it in the van with me for the next few days. I'm so pissed that I ate at that gas station. It wasn't bad, but it was like, I just passed an amazing looking Cuban restaurant, a spaghetti shed, whatever the hell that is, and there was something else over there. I could have stopped, had a nice dinner. Oh, the cider company. I like apple cider and things like that. Oh, man. And now I'm not hungry at all. Not in the least. The Red Parka Pub. I don't even know what city I'm in anymore, but there's a lot of cool looking stuff. So I was gonna go to this place called the Story, what is it called? The Story something. The Storybook, maybe. The Storybook? It's down here. ChatGPT recommended it. I asked the lady inside the covered bridge place, and she said it's really for kids. And it's not cheap. And oh my God, Storyland. And holy crap, is it packed. Whoa, no. I don't think so. I mean, I'm glad to know this exists. Cool. But I don't think I want anything to do with it. Diana's Baths. Oh man, there's a lot of people here. I don't even know what this is, but it looked cool. I don't know. I said Diana's Baths is supposed to be like really cool. I don't know what the hell it is, but I guess we'll go find out. I gotta do something. I think this is just a freaking hiking trail. I'm not going 10 miles, but I'll go see what this is. Gives me a chance to walk off that delicious gas station food. This is a lot better than screaming children at the storybook place or Storyland. I will take it. Slap a tree. It's slap a tree country. Slap a tree. All right, we got a bridge. Hey, look, a bridge. Okay. I'm hearing things. I'm seeing things. We got a water safety sign. We're looking good. Whew. Nice. There's Diana's Bath right here. Smelly ass Diana. Finally took a bath. And there she is. Stinking up the place. That's a lady too. They're ladies. Which one's Diana? They both stank. That's where she took a bath. Oh yeah, look at that. You can just take a bath right there. Or take a shower. Cool. Oh, slippery rocks. Badass. Telling you, I'm loving me some New Hampshire. Loving me some Vermont. Not a big fan of people, but you know, everybody yelling. How slick is this? Am I gonna get swept away? Probably. Let's get these feet going, huh? Ooh, that's cold. That feels good. That feels too good. Trying to gauge how deep this. Oh, that's slippery and deep. I want to get in there and wash my hair. I really do. Because I have not showered in 3 days. So washing my hair would be amazing. So what you can expect and what I can expect in the next couple episodes is today, taking my time. I'm going to park a little shy of Portland, Maine, and find a spot there for the night. I don't know what's going to happen between then and there, but we may stop at more places. I've stopped doing New Hampshire and Vermont. Like I said, they just keep giving me things. I keep driving by things or finding things like going, okay, I'm already sold. You already. Anyway, so sleep shy of Maine, Portland tonight. We'll sleep in Maine tonight. And then we will conquer Portland, Maine tomorrow morning. Salem, Massachusetts at night, which are only like less than 2 hours away from each other. And then I'll probably stay the whole day in Salem. I said that last time I went to Salem, but I actually only spent like a few hours and a night. I got there at night and then stayed a few hours the next day. But I'll be getting there late in the afternoon, kind of. So, yeah, anyway. Next day is Boston. We're going to film an episode to go there, eat that. I'm going to see my friend Sean, who I haven't seen since I was in the Army, like my early days in the Army. But we've stayed in touch. So that'll be cool. And we're going to spend all day in Boston filming that show. I'll probably leave Boston that night, head towards Jamestown, New York. The following day in Jamestown, New York, we will be going to the National Comedy Center, a place I've been wanting to go since they opened up a few years back. So there's that. Probably leave that place, drive all the way to Sandusky, Ohio, find a place either there or shy of there. I'm doing all this so I can have a mental note of it as well. And go to Cedar Point, film an episode to go there, eat that there, and meet my friend Heather there. Me and Heather are going to hang out for a couple days. And I might even just, we might even just go back to the house after Cedar Point. It's only 2 hours away from my house, so why not? This is awesome. Nobody. Pure quiet. So I was going back through the footage to see if I, what the picture of me dunking my head in the water looked like, see if I even got in the shot. No, I didn't even hit record. It's always something, Brandon. It's always something. Look at that sexy ass van. My good. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever, we're in Maine. Yeah, all right, Maine. Yeah, everything. Maine. This is the main thing, is what's in Maine. We're in Freiburg, which is in Maine. Your friend Brandon is filming in Maine at the moment. Now I've only got North Dakota, Hawaii, and Alaska. I've been to every other state. Now I've been to effing Maine. So I think I've been to Maine once before, but for like a sliver of it. Just driving through, you know. But we're in Maine! I'm the main man in Maine, damn it. All right, let's go drain the main vein. Yeah. We are in Cornish, Maine. Cornish, Maine. Like the hens, Cornish hens. And we're looking for a pretty cool place. This looks awesome. Little antique stores and Lindsay's Kitchen. I might get out and go for a walk. It's only, what, 3:18 right now? Another antique store. Cool looking ones. This whole city's antique stores. I mean, I'm looking for a, well, I think it might be an antique store. I don't even know. It's got a great name. I forgot what it is, of course, but we'll see it in literally 1 minute. Look at this cool little town. Never heard of Cornish, Maine, but I'm glad that I have now. All right, I'm itching for like a restaurant, like a sit down, people bring me food, and they cook it, hopefully, at first. Restaurant, sit down, good restaurant, not packed, good food. All right, Bay Haven, seafood prime rib and desserts. Are you shitting me? We're in, we're doing it. Can't be stopped at this point. Unless for some reason they think I'm too ugly to eat here and they kick me out, which is very possible at this moment.
Yeah. They usually find that.
I bet, I would too. Hey guys. I'm not gonna eat you, I can't stand the taste of you, but it's, you know, very sad. Nice view of the van here at Bay Haven, sorry. What do we got? It's a big menu. We got a little bit of everything, don't we? Oh, gift cards are available. There we go. These don't all be seafood. There's got to be other. Oh, they did have steaks and stuff. Poutine, all right. It's their version of a Big Mac. 2 all beef patty, special sauce, lettuce, cheese. All they did was add a tomato. I think I'm gonna do some fish and chips. Yeah, I am just obliterated. I'm exhausted. That hike, and believe it or not, the plunge that I took that I did not record just wore me out. I'm done. All right, Krabby Patties. Let's see what they look like in the inside. Were they made here or were they frozen and brought here? I will tell you in a minute. They're not bad. Definitely had better and worse. All right. Hour and 15 minutes. You know, not that long at all. Got my food to go. Oh, it's like it's an EcoSport. It's like my mom's car. I miss my mom. I'll give her a call before I go to bed. I will say I took a nibble of the fish and chips and it was very good. And I don't know how much of it I'm going to eat. It was not cheap. It was not fast. And it's not life-changing, but you know, I just didn't want to be hungry out there. I had a whole fridge full of food, but I didn't want to have another sandwich. Yeah, anyway. I was babbling because I am... Even my arm is tired from holding up this camera. Just like... Come on, Brandon. Like, so I just need to sleep. I am not even bullshitting you. Guessing I can just park out here somewhere. Looks like it could possibly be mosquito death out here, but I'm okay with it. What is that? There's a guy out there smoking in his... What is going on here? Here we go eating again. Yeah, what do we got in here? Lemons, all right, lemons. Let's do a coleslaw test real quick. Not bad. The old French fry test. Good. Good fry. Let's grab a big hunk of this fish. Dip it in some tartare. Looks like homemade tartare. Cool. Mm-hmm. Good stuff. I'm gonna end this night kind of the way I started it. Watch a little bit of Van City Van Life. If you don't know about that, you should go look up Van City Van Life. That guy right there. I'll give him all the credit in the world for teaching me that through these videos that you can live in a van full time and you can still run a business and do all the good stuff. And it's just like having a house, except for you got wheels and you can take your house wherever you want to go. Just about. So anyway, big thumbs up to Chrome. Cruzy Bear, of course. I'm going to scratch those ears someday. I'm going to stalk this guy, man. I'm going to stalk his ass. I'm going to find that dog. I'm going to scratch his ears and give him treats. I'm going to scratch Chrome's ears and give him treats. I'm kidding. This is weird, man. Why do I got to be like that? Anyways, I'm exhausted. As you know, I've only said it 400 times in this video. And I got all the fans on. Take this guy out a little bit. Oh, there we go. Because it needs to be pointed at the bed, and that is where my ass is going next. So like and subscribe if you want to. Go to the link tree if you want to. There's all kinds of cool stuff. I'm a published author. Are you kidding me? I have albums out there. I got books and albums and coloring books. And did I mention I have a television network? That's why I travel so much, filming things. Got all that. Just needs you. That's all I ever need is you. Okay. See you in a couple days. I'm gonna eat you.
Living in a freaking van.